sun's gone and the water's still. I pull out my mop, just doing my fill, but something about this place calls to me. In empty halls where no one can see, these marble floors and chandeliers been watching me hide all these years. Each night I wait till the last guest fades away. Keep saying it said, can't be ignored. Never knew someone heard me here. Your words make my purpose clear. Now every shift feels like a stage, and every note helps turn the page. Till the morning calls. Another late shift by the water. Clock strikes 12 like every night. Something pulls me to stay longer when that full moon shines so bright. Can't explain these ripples forming, knowing tonight's so still, so clear. Heart skips when surface breaks and you appear. Every 30 days I'm waiting, never early, never late. My job says I should stop you, but I hesitate. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Water beads across your shoulders. Never speak, just float on by.